It's What About Frank, working on a Mandalorian cosplay, which was 3D printed by Six Creative. I'm going to put a link on the bottom, so if you need any weapons available or armor, he's pretty cool, even little statues. He does a great job, as you can see from the helmet and the rest of the armor. So, I got more pieces, and of course, these are the leg armor for, I don't know which side it goes on. I think this is the right side, this is the left side, but there you go, pretty detailed. I added some weathering again, put some silver in the chip marks, brush the sides. I might do a little bit more to make it look a little bit more weathered. Same with this kind of beige piece right there. And of course there is the hand blaster. There's the hand blaster right there. Pretty detailed. I added some weathering, brown on the handle as well, some silver and black. Dry brush the silver on it. Kind of use a rub and buff stuff on it, just to kind of give it a little bit of an armor look. But it came out amazing. And of course the 3D printed rifle, the Mando weapon of choice. Awesome, came out amazing. I just added some weathering again, made it look like old metal, and here I made it look like bronze metal. It's pretty cool. I might add some magnets to it, so that way I can mount it carefully on my back, as so. So that way I can just take it on and take it off and kind of look cool, kind of having it hanging off my back like that. Again, with some really strong magnets. Here are the knee braces, I guess you would call them. There is a back piece to them as well. I added more of the Velcro, really strong Velcro to it. Again, on the parts that aren't really sticking as well, or I feel like they're going to fall off, I might go with more 3D magnets. So that way, 3D magnets. So I might go with stronger magnets, stronger magnets, stronger magnets. That way they'll kind of stay in place if I'm walking around or if I bump into stuff. And then I can just pop them in and pop them back off myself. I don't have to rely on other people putting on my costume. And that's it for now.